So today I got this leather steering wheel cover. I'm gonna be using it to cover our stroller handle. So I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. I got the medium one. So it comes with this leather, and then it comes with a thread and a needle, and another thread and a needle. So there's 2 threads and 2 needles, and it comes with this. So I'm gonna show you how this looks. So it says in the instruction that you need a thimble because this leather is pretty hard. It's made of cowhide, it says, and this one is attached. I mean, it's for a steering wheel. I'm just gonna use it for things. So I probably am gonna have to cut this. So I also got a scissor. I don't have a thimble, but I have this sharp thing. Probably I'm gonna use it as a cover to push. So right now we're gonna I'm gonna show you the instructions. Oh, and it says you need pliers to pull the thread, but I'm just gonna use I think I'm gonna use something like this to pull the thread. So what you need is just a scissor, a pliers or something to pull the needle, and a thimble. And this is the instruction. So I've read more about it, and it says you can use a cross stitch or a dummy stitch, and I think I'm gonna be doing a dummy stitch because it's easier. So that's the instruction. It says gloves are highly recommended. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear gloves. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you right now. This thing is actually, it fits right. As you can see, like, it fits just right. I didn't even measure it. I got the medium M4 and it fits just right. So I think I'm gonna use the dummy stitch to do this, or I don't know, how cross stitch maybe, I'm not sure. But so let's start cutting. I'll cut this part. I'll cut the seams on this thing. So start doing that.